There comes a moment in every person's life when the entire world suddenly goes silent. Not because everything is peaceful, but because inside your mind a war has started. A war between who you are today and who you know you could become. And in that moment you look around for someone to guide you. Someone to believe in you. Someone to tell you that you are capable. But the truth that most people never realize is this: nobody is coming. No mentor will appear out of nowhere. No magical moment will suddenly give you confidence. And the people around you who doubt you will probably keep doubting you for a long time. So the real question becomes terrifyingly simple. If nobody believes in you, will you believe in yourself? Because everything in your future depends on the answer to that one question. And most people fail right there, not because they are weak, not because they are stupid, but because they were trained their whole life to look outside for approval instead of looking inside for power. From childhood, they were told what they can do, what they cannot do, what is realistic, what is impossible. And slowly, without realizing it, they built invisible walls around their own potential. Walls made of fear, doubt, and the opinions of people who never even tried to chase their own dreams. And the worst part is that those walls feel normal. They feel safe. They feel logical. Until one day something inside you starts whispering that your life could be bigger, stronger, more meaningful than what you are currently living. But that whisper is fragile. It is quiet, and the noise of the world is loud. Your mind begins asking dangerous questions. What if you fail? What if people laugh at you? What if you are not talented enough? What if you waste years chasing something that never happens? And suddenly, the whisper inside you starts fading. But here is the truth that only a few people understand. Every extraordinary life begins exactly at this point. At the moment when logic tells you to stop, but your soul refuses to give up. The moment when you stop asking the world for permission and start asking yourself a different question. What if I actually trusted myself? Think about that for a second. What would change if you stopped doubting every decision? If you stopped waiting for approval? If you stopped measuring your worth through the opinions of people who are just as confused about life as you are? What would happen if you woke up tomorrow and for the first time in your life decided that your voice matters, that your instincts matter, that the vision you see in your mind deserves a real chance in the world? Because the truth is that confidence is not something you are born with. Confidence is something you build by surviving your own fears, again and again, until your brain finally understands that you are stronger than the things you were scared of. But the first step is always the hardest step. The step where you choose to trust yourself before you have proof, before you have results, before anyone claps for you. And this is exactly where most people quit, because they think belief should come after success. But the reality is the opposite. Success only comes after belief. And belief must come first. Belief must come in the darkness when nothing is working yet. Belief must come when the progress is invisible. Belief must come when people around you start saying, maybe you should try something more realistic. Because the people who change their lives are not the people who had perfect plans. They are the people who had stubborn faith in their own ability to figure things out along the way. They understood that uncertainty is not a stop sign. It is the price of growth. And every step forward into the unknown is a step away from the small life that fear wants you to live. Imagine the person you could become if you stopped shrinking yourself to fit into other people's expectations. Imagine the strength you would feel if instead of overthinking every move you simply acted on your instincts, learning from mistakes instead of fearing them. Because failure is not the opposite of success. Failure is the training ground of confidence. Every time you fall and stand up again, your brain gathers evidence that you are capable of surviving difficulty. And slowly something powerful begins to happen. You start trusting yourself more. Not because life becomes easy, but because you realize that even when life is hard, you are still able to move forward. And that realization is dangerous in the best possible way. Because once a person truly trusts themselves, they become unstoppable. They stop negotiating with fear. They stop apologizing for dreaming big. They stop waiting for perfect timing, because they understand that perfect timing is an illusion created by procrastination. They begin moving, learning, adapting, improving, step by step, mistake by mistake, victory by victory. And suddenly the same people who once doubted them start asking how they did it. But by then the answer is simple. They trusted themselves when nobody else did. They trusted the quiet voice inside them that kept saying, keep going, keep growing, keep believing, even when the road looked empty and the results were slow. Because deep down they understood something that most people never realize. The person you are meant to become is already hidden inside you, waiting for one decision, the decision to finally trust yourself. And once that decision is made, something inside you shifts forever. Because trusting yourself is not about suddenly feeling fearless. It is about moving forward, even while fear walks beside you. It is about understanding that courage is not the absence of doubt, but the decision. That your purpose matters more than your doubt. And the moment you begin to operate from that mindset, the world starts looking different. Problems that once looked like walls start looking like puzzles. Obstacles that once stopped you begin to look like challenges meant to sharpen you. Because the truth is that life does not reward people who wait. Life rewards people who move, people who dare, people who believe in possibilities that cannot yet be seen by others. And this is where the real transformation begins. Because when you trust yourself, you stop living like a spectator and start living like the author of your own story. You stop asking, what if I fail? And you start asking a far more powerful question. What if I succeed beyond anything I imagined? And that single shift in thinking begins to rewire your entire behavior. You begin waking up with a sense of direction. You begin taking action even when motivation is low. You begin pushing forward even when the path ahead is unclear. And slowly your mind begins collecting proof that you are capable of more than you thought. Proof that your instincts were never the enemy. They were the compass you were afraid to follow. And this is the moment when your confidence stops being fragile and begins becoming unshakable. Because it is no longer based on temporary emotions. It is based on experience. It is based on the countless moments when you chose action instead of hesitation. When you chose growth instead of comfort. When you chose belief instead of fear. And understand this deeply. The world will always try to label you based on your past. People will remind you of your old mistakes, your old failures, the times you were weak. But trusting yourself means refusing to let yesterday decide what tomorrow can become. It means understanding that the version of you who failed before is not the same version who stands here now ready to rise again. Growth changes people. Struggle strengthens people. Pain reshapes people. And every experience you survive quietly builds a stronger foundation inside you, whether you realize it or not. So when the next opportunity appears, when the next challenge arrives, when the next dream begins whispering in your mind, do not silence it with doubt. Do not bury it under the opinions of others. Because the truth is that the people who live extraordinary lives are not superhuman. They simply refuse to ignore the voice inside them that said there is more for you out there. They listened to it even when it sounded unrealistic. They followed it even when the road was uncertain. And step by step that voice led them toward a life bigger than their fears. And the same possibility exists inside you right now, at this very moment. Hidden beneath layers of hesitation and overthinking, waiting for the moment when you finally decide that your dreams deserve more respect than your fears. Because think about it honestly, every great invention, every powerful achievement, every story of success you have ever heard began with a single person who trusted their vision before the world believed in it. Someone who looked at an uncertain future and said, "I will figure it out." Someone who understood that progress is never perfect, that the road to greatness is messy and unpredictable, and sometimes painfully slow, but they moved anyway because they trusted the person they were becoming. And that is the secret most people miss. Trusting yourself is not about who you are today. It is about believing in who you are capable of becoming. If you refuse to quit, if you refuse to surrender to doubt, if you refuse to shrink your ambitions just because the path looks difficult. And yes, there will be moments when your energy disappears, moments when your plans collapse, moments when the voice of doubt grows loud again, whispering, "Maybe you are not meant for this after all." But those moments are not signs that you should stop. They are tests designed to reveal how deeply you truly believe in yourself. Because anyone can feel confident when things are easy. But the people who transform their lives are the ones who keep moving when things become uncomfortable. When the results take longer than expected. When the road demands patience and resilience. And every time you push through one of those moments, your identity begins to change. You stop seeing yourself as someone who hopes to succeed, and you start seeing yourself as someone who refuses to quit. And that identity shift is powerful beyond words. Because once a person truly sees themselves as resilient, as determined, as capable of adapting and learning no matter what happens, their potential becomes almost limitless. They stop fearing the unknown because they trust their ability to navigate it. They stop worrying about whether the journey will be perfect because they understand that perfection is irrelevant compared to persistence. And suddenly the same world that once felt intimidating becomes a field of opportunity. A place where every challenge is a chance to grow stronger. Every failure is a lesson disguised as pain. Every step forward is evidence that the person you are becoming is more powerful than the doubts you once carried. And one day, when you look back at the version of yourself who was afraid to trust their own potential, you will realize something incredible. The biggest barrier was never the world. It was never the competition. It was never the lack of resources or the lack of experience. The biggest barrier was simply the moment you hesitated to believe in yourself. Because the day you finally chose trust over doubt was the day everything started changing. The day your actions became bolder, your mindset became sharper, your persistence became stronger, and slowly but surely your reality began reflecting the belief you held inside. And that is why trusting yourself is one of the most powerful decisions a human being can make. Because when you truly trust yourself, you unlock a force that no obstacle can permanently stop. A force built from courage, resilience, vision, and relentless forward motion. And that force already exists inside you right now, waiting for one thing. One simple but life-changing decision. The decision to stop doubting your own potential and finally trust yourself enough to chase the life you were meant to live. And when that decision becomes real inside your heart, a quiet transformation begins that most people around you may not even notice at first. But you will feel it every single day, because trusting yourself changes the way you walk, the way you think, the way you respond to problems and opportunities. You stop reacting with fear and start responding with determination. You begin understanding that every challenge life throws at you is not there to break you, but to reveal a stronger version of you that has been waiting beneath the surface all along. And slowly you realize something powerful. The future does not belong to the most talented. It belongs to the most persistent. The ones who keep moving even when the road is lonely. Even when progress is invisible. Even when the results take longer than expected. Because deep down they know that the real victory is not a single moment of success. The real victory is becoming the kind of person who refuses to give up on themselves. The kind of person who wakes up every morning with the quiet confidence that no matter what happens today, they will learn, adapt, grow, and continue forward. And once that mindset becomes part of who you are, your life begins to expand in ways you once thought were impossible. Because the world eventually makes space for the people who believe in their own potential, strongly enough to act on it every single day.